So these are the Millie Apollo and Paige Nike puppies outside. There's Maya, Paige's little girl, little fluff ball. And there's also Ruby Trax puppies here as well. So green collar, I don't know, you can't really see the collars, it's very sunny. There's Chomper. Hi there, man. This little collection of three black and silvers and a liver tan. Liver tan is Littlefoot. And the black and silver on the left is Trouble. The one with her back to me is Sarah. Blue collar, I believe, is Rooter. There's Spike. Orange, there's Chomper again. He says, I smell mum. There is Chaos, liver pepper girl from Ruby's litter. Actually, that's Ruby. You two are just sleeping here in the shade and we can't even see you with the video. No, this is, who are you? You're Petrie, and you are the little girl from Ruby's litter. That's Mischief. And there's also the chocolate girl from Simmer's litter. Hey puppers! Hey Chaos, Ruckus, Salt and Pepper Boy from Ruby's litter. Hi Spike. You guys just checking it all out. That's Ruby. And there's, yeah, you guys are starting to enjoy some outside sunshine time, hey? Yes. Littlefoot. Hey, fluffy man. Oh, here, go stand up and walk around and play. Yes, you're such a little fur ball. Rooter, what are you doing? Hey, little man. There you go. Hey, puppers. There's Maya. These guys will be getting haircuts this week. Just rolled them right over, didn't you? Hey, Sienna, be nice now. Just because they're little and you can actually pick on them. Yes, you were the littlest in your litter, so you're happy to find someone smaller. There's Trouble. Petrie. Chomper. Sarah. Spike. There's Chaos. Hey, pups. Hey, pups. Hey, Ruckus. Littlefoot, you're being awfully quiet. There you go. Hi, little man. Checking it out. You're not too sure about the wet grass, are you? Hey? Hey, pups. Good girl, Ruby. Yes. Are your babies in there? They are. You're keeping an eye on them. There's Trouble. He says, I know who you are. You're mum. There's Petrie and Chaos. Ruckus again. Rooter. Trouble. Oh, Petrie's over there. You're Miss Mischief. Maya's playing with the ball. Hey, pups. Hey, Littlefoot. Hey, pup. You two trying to cuddle. Is it cold out here? It's not cold. It's nice. Yes, it is. It's sunny and warm. Well, there's the Ruby puppies, Millie puppies, and Paige. Paige puppies. Yeah. Up, 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 up. You gonna come out from behind that tub? Hey? Up, 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 up. You two are having fun investigating, hey? Checking out the leaves.